Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar continues its rally as it extends now towards the highs around 66.75, its highest level in over 10 months, as the US dollar stayed under pressure ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy decision this week. Markets now view a 25 basis point cut on Wednesday US time as a done deal, keeping the US dollar index near an 8-week low around 97 figure 30. While looking ahead before then, attention now turns to the US retail sales, which will be closely gauged to consumer strength before the Fed's meeting, while in Australia, Thursday's jobs report could prove pivotal for the RBA policy expectations. The central bank stressing that the pace of any future easing will depend on labour market conditions. So looking at the top side, well, the market is very clear from what I can see technically to reach 67 cents, about 35 points away, but be on your guard in case we see a bit of profit taking, as there is a bit of divergence here from the RSI, but nevertheless the trend is still strong with the MACD. A pullback finds support somewhere around 66.35. Turning to the euro, it's still heading towards its objective of 118 and only pips away from that level, which could extend if we go to the weeklies. That is towards the region of 120 to 121, where we saw these peaks here back in 2020, 2021. In light of how the technicals are playing, if the dollar does weaken down, and I do like this pattern, it could break higher, therefore any weakness likely to be temporary. The dollar yen well on the downside as it looks towards the region of 146.30. The break here, where the recent rejections have been seen, could see a move down to 144.80. In light of the pattern, I am bearish, especially how the technicals are unfolding. Sterling also strong as it breaks higher above this neckline that could see a rally now to 137 back in June. Any pullback to be temporary. Gold is also rallying and now close to its objective of 3,700. Keep an eye on that top side. We could see a bit of profit taking as the ADX extremely overheating and also with the RSI extended to the overbought conditions. Wrapping up with oil, since the inverted hammer, a little bit of guidance seen to the upside that could go towards $65 a barrel. Technicals are weak though, but likely to find good support around 61.40. But overall, the recovery is anticipated. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the interest report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new day.